Welcome back again, Speak My Mind people. As I tell you in the previous video, I was going to do 2 videos at the same time, not the same time, but concurrently. So Speak My Mind people, who don't know what to do already, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Please to watch the ads and go over to the backup channel if you have not yet subscribed to the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. Yeah, just go over there and give me a subscription if you have not yet subscribed. Yes, my people. That one I'm not go too long. And you see, some of them ungrateful people here. Because them love come talk about what ungrateful mean. What bad mind mean. And if I own one word we can't use. And what jealousy mean. And if I own it alone we can't use. But guess what me know? We have to use it. Because every day them come and them show themselves as the exact type of person. And this Andre saga, I tell you, man, the amount of them cockroach I see a run out. If you not step in them belly, you can't see where you night. And with the whole Andre saga, so much of them just show up themselves. Some of them all nasty, dirty, all garbage. Some of them coming like on a coronation back market. On Saturday evening when the eagle them done, the country people them done sell. And the people them come to clean up the market. And you know, so around at the back market around there, so them push everything for the rubbish truck come for. When you look, you see all kind of all yam head, all cabbage, all everything. And you don't know how cabbage water smell. When cabbage water, you put if you ever make the mistake and cut up little cabbage and left the little strippings and sitting in a little water and left it in your kitchen and no member. Within 6 hours, or probably not even mention if you left it till the next morning. And you smell like the water there. I saw some of them nasty platform holder you stay. Ungrateful. Me them not call some of them names as me say, you know. If them push me to the test, I will. Because me say me not afraid of no boy and no girl on the phone. You could have blue book under America. You could have black book under England. Me no business where you there. Me not afraid of no boy or girl on the phone. You understand? Because sure no. Me and Victoria are no friend. So no won't have no secret for me. You understand? And I probably Victoria could have come telling us some secret about me. And me and I are no friend. And if me and I did even friend, there is no secret for me. You understand? All of my deeds them. They pan lighthouse stop as me telling you. School children in England know that. You understand? Me hear couple on the well run out. And I go talk about then I want all the accolades. Then I want all the praises. What due to Caesar give it to her. When I go talk about Dana and Dana response on a channel, on a platform, and whatsoever, and a Dana boss on a platform. Yeah, Dana might not boss on a platform. By, from start, as she share out on a platform and way. But how much inheritance wanna get out of Dana platform? The amount of inheritance wanna get out of Dana platform, uno should have uno mouth. Or when you have something to say, uno should have. Because uno benefit and inherit so much out of Planka Nation. You have one special one. But every day, she come on for her life. She just have beg so like she work a Salvation Army or food for the poor. Not even Salvation Army me say beg so again. Because one time gone, every supermarket, every major corner you go and town center you go. You used to see Salvation Army, either one man or one woman with a little pot on the string and them a beat the sitting and beg you something. Me hard to see that again. Once in a blue moon. You understand? So uno beat Salvation Army. If you don't want to dinner on the compound, on the platform, come beg it. If you don't want a partner for you to come on the platform, come beg it. If you don't want one laptop on the come on the platform, come beg it. If you don't want a drawers on the come on the platform, come beg it. If you don't want one 20-inch sponge to tough up on the for top on the leakings, on the come on platform, come beg it. And in and out, the same set of people them where contribute so much to the platform because too bad then you not fake it. Like Uno was a part of Planka. I want to support Planka to the deepest depth. You understand? Uno come up on the platform. I want to talk this, I want to talk that for Ghana the support of the Planka Nation. But as soon as something go wrong and things not work out for Uno come and Planka Nation. And that are the worst thing you can ever buck up on. I want to know her inside out. I want to know when she tell lie and when she not tell lie. I want to know who I go through the back door. I want to know who on the bed. I want to know who she rob from, who she not rob. I want to know who she carry down from, who she not carry down. I want to know who she not like see from, who she not like see. And who she not want to see over her. All of a sudden. You understand? And the thing is, the whole town is so hypocritical. Where this minute, when all is good and all is well, I want to benefit from the Planka Nation. All I want to say now, I never know it before. I never say it before. But as things go sour, one way or the other, because it not go sour with Planka Nation, the boss, the ourself, the Planka Nation boss, it goes sour with the Planka Nation supporters. Because they might say things we don't know how to do, things we don't know how to say. And as we always say, most time, at them in the comment cause certain problem. So, through them stroll and they all over them say things, and then when them say things, them come talk things. I don't know when them talk things, and the nation, Planka Nation run with that, You know it go. If you used to get sponge stuff up on a day to stop the leakings, you know say it not gonna work out. If you used to get food, it not gonna work out. Whatever you used to get, I go slow down to the top. So when it slow down on top now, on a compound, a platform, I want to talk the most things. On the same one, where they are defend 99 against other people, want to come out, I want to talk the same thing. One that defend against them people there. So, this only goes to show, say, Uno wasn't real from morning. It was just about the gains. And as I say, Uno see how powerful the Planka Nation is. If Uno reach out, Uno will get support from them. If they see that, okay, needs necessary, or say yes, you're genuine, or whatsoever, or they feel like, because some money, Uno trick them, Me I tell you, because like other one, them two personal person when me I talk to right now, And people don't want to feel like I'm afraid of nobody, But it not reach a stage to me call name. You see, after me do this video, whosoever want to take up this pan them head, take it up. And at this so, you will hear me call name. Because I will be listening out. I will be having an open ears out. Because some of them are a long time. Me want to move at them, Yeah, man, some of them a long time me want to move at them because them are galang with themselves, in and out. This minute them over Planka, you say, way. Next minute them go so, because as soon as them see no money now come in, no pretty scream now come in, no cash up now come in, no wash up now come in, no Zelle now come in. You understand? Them turn against Planka Nation. And as soon as all is well and the pretty scream are coming and it's a coming, them neutral or them swing it Planka Nation. You understand? So a long time me really want move at this one. I feel like say she know everybody business, which me know she no know my own. And she can't put no investigator up on my case and find out nothing at all. You understand? But the thing is, I am so disgusted with these two particular women. We get so much support from Planka Nation. But yet still they come out every day and say Planka not building on a page. Yes, Planka might not build on a page from scratch. But the amount of support you want to get from Planka Nation when you not pretend to be supporters. You understand? When you not pretend to tear down the next side of fence over there, so. Because at that time all is well. You know I see $1 in a cash app, you know I see $1 in a Zelle, and you know I get pretty scream, and you know I get whatever you know ask her. But the people them get so disgusted and fed up with the same old story day in, day out. They miss say, you say, she say, Taranat, and no evidence. Be fabricated stories. But what? You don't have to find content to come out with. So when you don't find the content to come out with, you can't find the content to come out with, you have to fabricate content. And then hold the viewers ransom. We want to come on the live and all. The story we want to come to tell. All 20-30 minutes in the live. The story can't come out. You know wait, my people, you know wait. Me now start talk to me say 500 somebody over here. Me now start talk to me say send me something in the cash app. Me now start talk to me say too pretty scream. So I sell you come for sell news. You understand? I sell you come for sell news. You know come for build, you can make your content and YouTube pay you. You come for sell news to your audience. And without your audience, YouTube will not pay you, you know. Because without your audience, you don't have views, you know. But at the same time, you stick up your audience. One pretty screen before you tell the story. You want WhatsApp, you want Cash App, you want TapSap, you want Lapsap, you want Soursap. Before you tell the story, all 20 minutes in your life. The story can't come out. When you read 30 minutes in your life, you come out with part of it. Yes, you want to see the one that shanty him. Yeah. I last night, missing 99. Yeah. You see, the one that ran away from over there. And you stop again. And another half hour. Because what me know, most of these people will love the cascas and the mix up. Sit down and wait for hear what you come with. But you hold them for 120 minutes and them sit down. For you get your Cash App, your Dash App, your WhatsApp, your pretty scream. You get a few and you want to hold them for another 20 minutes. So you just give them something for hold on pan. Yes, man, 99. Yes, Dashanti. Yes, over so. Yes, because them are going to sit down even a little longer now. Because 99 name call. Dashanti name call. Chris name call. Warataranat name call. So them are going to sit down and wait. And you're expecting more pretty scream, more this and more that. You understand what I say to you? Because I sell, she come for sell news. Because it's all about money. Because she have been said it more than one time that says she's smarter than the whole of me blagger, tagger, saga. Well, you not sit down and wait for views. Me smart town, your money me want. Very. You understand? So it's all about money. So they will do anything for the money. If I ever carry down them more, they will do it. If I ever sacrifice them pitney, they will do it. If I ever them sacrifice the close friend and just feed them, they will do it. If I ever sacrifice the person where take care of them, do them sickness even 1 month or 2. The day if you make 2 months and a day, them need money. And if the person that them for show out to get the money, them go and shove them out. Because it's all about money. It is not just now. 99 have this saying where she say, Them feel like off of the man's shirt. This is her way of saying it to people in general, where everything them blame Andrew. Leg off of the man's shirt. So, this is a term so she use. And this is what I tell you, the whole of them, all of the dirty hypocrite them, I try jump on the Andre saga to ride it because it involves Auntie Dana. So, them can get content from it, them can get views from it, and them can get everything what them want from it. You are going to tell the man about let off of the man's shirt. Andre and her friend. It's just that 99 might don't know how deep Andre despised the Prime Minister. You understand? But at the same time, when him go on him platform, people might be saying that him shouldn't stress it out so much, but at the same time, deep down it might hurt of how she say it or bring it across to him, which is a regular way of saying it to anybody, leg off of the Prime Minister's shirt. But she called him in a jovial manner, saying the same thing to him. But as me say, deep down, Andre despised the Prime Minister. For what reason, I don't know. So, when 99 said what she said to him, it might pull a string in him. But at the same time, he must say, no, I don't marry go this. I can't go at her home but I really want to go at her, you know. Because my friend, and she might have said it in a jokify way and jovial way. But at the same time, we have to remember Andre have a platform also. And as a vlogger and a blogger, anything you can use it content. Once you're not going below the belt, you're going to use it as content. That's what they call content creating. You use nothing and turn it into something. Don't go use propaganda to try to turn it into something. Don't go use lies to turn it into something. You have an audience where if you come out and say them two blackbird there, just have one beast picnic, your audience go and come listen to you. It leave up to whether them believe or they don't believe you. And some of them, they are so loyal that them now go stop to think, oh, two birds have one blackbird and one picture of beast picnic. Yeah, they are so loyal. So them now go even stop to think, them go just believe what you say. So basically, your content work. So as I say, Andre have a platform. Him see where him can use that because him and Eddie platform is like, although them carry a whole heap of, Andre carry a whole heap of plankers also. So in that case, him have theme strong support, plus the planker nation, plus the little nasty haters them. We are going to run over from them here, Dana Marie go. Whereas if them dip on Dana platform, when him say, okay, I can't do it on your platform. Okay, I'm going to take it over to my platform. Them over there before Andre even reach. You understand? Them over there before Andre even reach. Andre no really disrespect Auntie Dana in no way. Me wanna go say, you know, like when you're calling out your children and you call them by them right name and you know what that mean? Discipline. That is how Andre comes out. You notice he did not say Auntie Dana only, or he never said the different names that we call her. He said, Donna Marie Gal. Donna Marie Gal. So them terms the way I'm continue to call her name, that he's been proven his disgust and he's been harsh on her. I know me not hear Andre disrespect that, you know. I own a slime way in the comment. We're glad to see where did that take place on the interpreted phone away. You understand? Because you just know how come talk and running in upon the whole situation. You understand? When you have all about you are spoiled. Not only your business are spoiled. All about you are spoiled. Where you should go pay more keen attention to. You understand? You have a claim to say when 99 run out and create our mischief, And she find out, say, it's like the people are against her. Who is the people? The haters. That damn for she goes so and piece of coal fly out to her mouth and catch on the table. And them run with it. Lord God, watch us sit down on the table and the big old coal fly out her mouth. Like I know something possible for happen to anybody. You can't sneeze. It's him. And coal run out of your nose, something fly out of your nose. But if it happen with AD, you make a big thing out of it. This is show you say how powerful her name is, but you just free it, if you accept it. Because if any normal somebody will have a platform, probably for me they do and 99 do, nobody will see and hear and talk about it. Nobody. But 299, it's all about views in whatever way you can get it. You understand? Yeah. Because you gonna say, when she met the trouble them on road and she go on with herself and she realize that the people them, you know, as I said, the haters them in the comment are come down upon her and she hear all kind of thing. She run, come back and pretty up things and talk about, no, I was just running a joke. I just did a joke, man. No, say me did a joke. Me and Andrew a friend and way. And that's what she do all the while. And you know her's best. I must say one time you ever see her go at 99 go meet her. So how you feel know her best? Eh? You know they round her. If you know her body language, what this mean from what that not mean. Because if you're around a person and certain things are going on at me, you know, and you're around them for a while, you can read them body language and know what that mean. That's why I always tell people around me, picking them, woman, whatsoever, you must learn body language. Because I can't do somewhere and I can't tell you say move. But just by reading my body language, you know me I try to get a message across. And if you read my body language well, you're going to know exactly say me I tell you to move. So oh you know 19, you can stay on a phone and see her and read when she tell lie from when she not tell lie. And she call upon God, Father God, really. That she call upon. Wicked and sinners like Uno. Well when all the fruits are ripe, I wanna pick them till you have them till them are spoil. Because you can't name them off. All was good, but all of a sudden, fruits not ripe like that phone no more. Because it's about the third time I soon drop off of social media and I come back. And so you drop off and come back at the same thing you come with. So you not learn. Propaganda, lie, make up stories. Why you not do it, me no know. But it's all about the paper. Before me go away, this here one you know, the next woman one from down so. I gotta come and talk about take the little where God give you. And there is so much, this here one you also get out of Planka Nation. You understand? So much. She never refuse it. She grasps it with both hands. But you see, as me say, as soon as a little thing go down, them ignite fire, them ignite a flame and cause a big deal out of nothing at all. Because when a little thing go down, the Planka Nation now send over enough financial support. So what them do now, them use it as content to get it from YouTube or Facebook. Because them know from them say Planka Nation and them say 99. She and the old lady will come listen. Whether them is with you or not with you. And as me say, today, you and she over there sound not good enough. But you say once you fall out with the person where she and the person over there sound never good, them come and listen to you. Them come and join with you. And when them go upon them live, them use you as reference. Just like this one you know. We are come about the one of foreign which say she a big deal. Although say she this and she that, I mean like a bone in her heart, but she did this. Yeah. Why you never thought that all along? When you and Planka Nation did good? Why you never thought that? Why when you and Planka Nation not good and you not get no financial support from Planka Nation now, you will come out with all of that? This is what you call hypocrites. Them side with you because of what they can get at the present moment. As soon as where them can't get gone, that's it. Them are your closest enemy and friend. The same enemy where they used to be on the same platform when things are going for them say, oh, yeah man, them this, them Taranat. That's the enemy them join. Where them did that burn out a couple months ago. That's the enemy them use as a reference to certain cases where them want to bring across. Certain content where them want to bring across. There is no day you would ever hear me get up and talk about T-Girl or Larry the Lizard where them did I say a two over here so a two over there so whether it goes so or not. No day coming a hypocrite. Or when them say something, cause even now, if Larry the Lizard, T-Girl come out and say something about them here two women and when me a talk about right here now. Or when it has part of my ears, me do like me not hear it. Because me don't want to hear nothing from Larry the Lizard. Me don't want to hear nothing from T-Girl. So there is no way me could have come on my platform come say, boy. And that's why I don't want T-Girl. Although me hate her, you know, although me not like her, me despise her, you know. But me hear she said something why and I really... No! You not hear me come say that. Same for the same with Laurie and you not gonna hear me come say that. The only way you might hear me come say that, unless it has said about somebody when me I bring certain things to the public from day one, come say, see it here, them not good. See them own friend I say it there, see them own Comanche there I say it there, see this I say it there, see that I say it there. But once I was with you at one point, once I was in defense of you at one point, there is no way T-Girl or Larry the Lizard can say something but you know and me come use it on my platform as reference. And this is one you're from down so. That's what she come and do. Then I want to own up everything. None of them can't even pronounce Mark Zuckerberg. But at the same time them come. Them can't even spell it. Let me tell you something. If me can't spell and me can't pronounce a certain word or me can't pronounce words, me not come take that tell nobody. That can't come in my content. No time that can come in my content. And then when me realize when I say like myself here. Me can't spell it like them can't spell it like myself here. Them can't pronounce it like myself here. You should even go this so. You understand? But what? It's all about content. All of a sudden everybody jump on the Andre 99 situation. Ensure. Someone if you got ensure so on a life sort out, man. Cause someone in a certain position in life and a certain stage in life, you know. But that not mean so comfortable. That not mean so well off. That not mean so have everything you want. There's a lot more you want. Because if you never want a lot more, you don't depend on social media. You don't beg people money for this, that, or not. You understand? So there's a lot of things you want to ensure on a life, man. Stop watch out people who want and come and talk about people who want. People that use coal stove. Who know I use gas. Phone the gas done. I don't need a gas and can't buy it. But when you come from my yard, you see my coal stove ablaze. You gotta take it tell me say me I use coal stove. Your gas stove want a gas so you can't buy it. But my coal stove ablaze. And if my coal run out, me can push some piece of board underneath the coal, the stove, and light it. What you gonna push on your gas stove? You have to go buy a gas, but you can't afford a gas. But you come and criticize me for my coal stove. We're up and running. So all, you know, ungrateful people we get so much benefit from Planka Nation. As I say, people, the video they have to dissect and me them not dissect because I don't want to play them voice. Me just wait till after the video you go out and me keep and walk my ears and who want to pick up what me and say and come back at me. It just start. Because I say, one of them individually a long time, you know. Me want to go out there, you know. But guess what? Me just hold my strain. And say, yeah, well, keep yourself cool. Keep calm. Yeah. Because them feel like them know everybody business. And them can come and press propaganda and tell lie upon people. You can't tell none upon me. You can't spread no propaganda upon me. And you don't know nothing about me. And you can't say no investigator. And investigator come investigate nothing upon me. And anything when me come chat in a phone and when me see. You understand? And when me know. You understand? So, speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up. Please remember to watch the ads. Remember the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. Go over there and give it a subscription. Them ungrateful people here, man. They make so much out of Planka Nation. And because through them come and them commit themselves, and Planka Nation might not support them right now. Them have all the bad things to say about Planka Nation. All the bad things to say about 99. Years ago when them a benefit and a reap success and a gain so much fruits from the garden. All did well. But all of a sudden things bad. One of them are just month and other go. Things get bad. You understand? She did in and out, you know, but before the previous month, everything did nice. Different 99, different Planka Nation. But one little thing crop up and through this I say and that I say, she come out against the Planka Nation. Because everything Planka Nation get blamed for, you know. All we don't know, you know. Yeah, man, all we don't know, we, man, we get blamed for it, man. Because that's how powerful them have we. You understand? So sometimes when them same supporters, them same followers and subscribers boring a certain content where them a bring to them, all them do is just go in the comment section, probably on a fake page, and just type up some things. Planka said this, Planka said that, 99 said this, 99 said that. And to them so dunce and illiterate as the platform holder, them don't go over and seek the evidence to themselves. Before them comes out, immediately as them see the comment, them start talk all kind of bag of things. You understand? Because they are not intellectual as that. If go out there and know, say, boy, okay, me can't follow what the commenter say. You understand? Them same people start the cuss all the while on them page and a fake name. Because what the content where them a bring come on that them want hear at the time. And this is why me don't really like. But me I do live. Do a video and you watch a video after and do your comment, man. Because during the live, despite me now I go see a comment and just jump at it, you know. Me I go do my investigation. But some of them is so, you understand? Them just jump at the comment whether it is a true or false or lie or fake or what. Not knowing them own supporters, just don't want to hear what them a say this so. We want something different. Just like how them did give Bunny Wheeler the Shandy buckle. Yeah, Bunny Wheeler a big artist, international artist. But at the time, Bunny Wheeler on a year time at Sting. 1, 2 o'clock Sting for boil up for the eat we want to see between Ninja Man and Super Cat. So hold them Shandy buckle here. Whop, whop, whop. Bunny Wheeler bigger than Ninja Man and Super Cat at the time. But I never feel him time. Him a boring up the crowd, them want to see what them want to see. So just like how enough of them supporter, when no one say them upstairs not right, them just go up on the fake page and chick off certain things. When a go so in them comment and them just gravitate to it and run with it. And cause fallout between them and people for nothing at all. And go on like say other people do it and blame Planka for it. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.